Wanna make easy money online? Yes, I said easy money online. Well, I got some good news. You just came to the right place. Well, you can earn up to as $70 just by doing these methods I am going to show you, and you can earn easy money. And you do not need any experience whatsoever, so anyone can do this. And all you need to do is just test websites, and then you get paid. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notification, and like this video. Intro. This is a master intro. So, our first site is UserBrain. UserBrain is a site that pays you to test other people's websites, right? Even if you have your own website, you can send it to UserBrain, and then you can pay other people to test your website, right? So basically, you just have to, if you want to be paid, you have to, they'll give you tasks, right, that you have to complete, right? And in those tasks, you'll be giving your honest opinion and commenting how you feel about the website and what you see that needs to be improved. So basically, it's very easy. So what you're gonna have to do is click where it says get paid to test right here. Then you click there, right there, and then it's gonna take you here. Make money testing websites from home. So you can do this at home at your own time, basically, right? So here, what you do is you have to apply, right? When you put your email, your password, and then you tick this box, and then you show that you're not a robot, and then you're gonna have to do a qualification test, so that this is a way that they can see if you have a good mic, if you can speak openly, and you can speak what's on your mind. So that's what they'll be checking. They check a lot of things, but when I joined this on my first qualification test, I just aced it, and then I was accepted. Even if you're not accepted, you can fix some things. If you feel like, oh, it's my mic, then you can try with another account. Maybe you might be accepted on that account. So here they pay you $3 for every 5 to 15 minutes test video that is approved, right? So what you're gonna have to do is you have to install their application on your browser, which is an extension, right? And after that, they will show you. Then you will see what you need to do. So yeah, then you can do the qualification test, basically. So here is an example video. You can go to the site, and then you can watch this to see what you need to do in order to be accepted and start earning money. And this is a really good site because it is trusted by so many big companies. So what you just have to do is go to userbrain.net. I'll put it on the screen right there. Yeah, that's userbrain.net. So you don't really earn that much money from this website, but it can be a good thing just to make some side income, just to make some money on the side, pay for small bills, you know what I'm saying? So you will not get rich with this. I repeat, you will not get rich with this. So yeah. And then our second site is TryMyUI, right? So here people will send their own designs, apps, products, stores, websites, blogs, different type of things basically, and then you have to test them out. So it's just like user brain. They'll be giving you tests that you have to complete while you're on the website or that application to see if it's user friendly and it's doing what it is supposed to do. And we are here to make money off this site. So you're gonna click where it says get paid to test over here. So you choose wherever you want to go. Let's use that part right there, right? And same thing, you have to sign up as always, and then you have to, this is the application, you have to submit with your own application, and you get paid via PayPal, right? You get paid via PayPal, and then here you do the same thing as user rate. You record your video. You can record a video while you speak openly about the website or app, and they'll be giving you tasks that you have to complete, as I've already said. And then you also have to write a short response, and then you can send it to them, right? So here there's no limit for the amount of tests you can do. Basically, you can do a number of tests, even a few a week or many a week, right? So yeah, it just depends, and you just have to be sitting. You don't have to look for tests; they just automatically come to you, right? And here they pay you via PayPal every Friday, right? And they're cleared for payment after they have been reviewed. Those are your tests, so they have to review them, and then their graders will accept it, and they say, oh, this man has to be paid, or woman, right? So here you get paid $10 for each test you take. So here you earn more than user brain. So they pay you $10 for a typical test, which is approximately 20 minutes basically. So yeah, it's mostly the minimum is like 20 minutes, and you get paid $10. So that means if you do 2 tests, you've already made $20. And it just depends how many tests you get per week. So if you get like 5 tests and they are approved, so that's about $50. So you can actually make a lot of money from this, but not that much. And no, it will not make you rich. I repeat, it will not make you rich. So yeah, that's basically it. And here you can see that it's a really user-friendly site, and it is trusted by these big companies, or these, even Amazon is there, British Airways, Priceline.com. So you know that this is legit, and you just won't waste your time and not get paid in the end. And they also have videos that you can watch, that you can see what you are supposed to do, and not just freestyle and then black out, you know. Yeah, and they also have these people who have tried it and they've been paid, and they really enjoyed it. Yeah, so you can also be part of those people. So yeah, so this is it for this site, and I'll put the site on the screen right there, and you guys can go there. And yeah, and our last and final site is a 5-star rated site, and that's UserTesting. A lot of people recommend UserTesting, and they are fans of it, and a lot of people use it, and this is a really good site, and I've also used it. And I've earned money from it. So if you want to make money, you just have to go here. It says get paid to test, right? And then you also have to apply. So with this side is you have to apply, and they'll give you tests because they want to see if you're creative enough, if you're capable and you also have the right equipment, right? And you don't really need an expensive mic, really. You can just find a decent mic, and no big, and they do not recommend background sounds, basically, and anything that will affect it. They just want to hear you and you alone. They will explain it to you and everything, and you can read it out, and they will show you what they need and what they want. So you just have to put your email address right there, and then you have to tick that I have read and agree with the terms of use and our privacy policy, and then you apply. So yeah, again, you just sign up, you take tests, so you just give feedback on the product that you love and use today, right? So yeah, and websites, and the qualification test is also a website that they give you. I'm pretty sure I was given a museum website for my qualification test, and then I just had to record. Again, they will make you download their user testing app, which is an extension for your browser, and then it just screen records and also record your mic. So and it's really user friendly and straightforward. And then they pay you $10 for every 20-minute videos, for the test. So it's like a video because you screen share, you're completely you complete and even more for more interviews. Sorry, I'm not feeling well right now. Really sorry. Yeah. And they pay you via PayPal. So with most of these sites, it's just PayPal, guys. So you just have to have a PayPal account, basically. And it's also trusted by major companies, basically. A lot of these sites work alongside really big companies, and then that's why they have all these companies right here, because those companies trust them, and they've seen that they're legit and they're not fishy, and you don't have to waste your time. And you can even see Walmart is here, Capital One, Facebook, Quip, Domino's, Grammarly, and yeah. So you can even put your own website or your own product, and then people can say what they can be given tests on your product, and then you have to pay them. So I really like this site, and a lot of people recommend this site. So you can actually make about $30 to $40 per test. I'm pretty sure. I'm not really sure, but you can make some really decent money per week, depending on how many tests you get. So I recommend you guys to use UserTesting, because it's a really, really good site. And they also have videos that of people who have done the test, a certain test, and then you can see how they were doing it, and they pick someone who has done a really good job. You might even be featured on one of those videos. So then they use one of those people, one of the testers, as an example to show you what you're supposed to do and how you're supposed to approach. Everything is just explained to you, and you don't have to worry about having to figure things out here. And you can even see Facebook is there, CBS, Adobe, Alaska, Ford, all these big companies right here. You can see them right here. And yeah, you can even see people here who have we have participated in all of these. You can even you can actually be featured on one of these, and you can see the frequently asked questions. And yeah, I recommend you guys to use these sites, and I hope you guys make some money and really enjoy this. And yeah, thank you guys, and I would like to see what you guys think about these websites in the comments right there. So make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.